In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a database in InfinityFree. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside your InfinityFree dashboard, you want to click on Hosting Accounts, and then you want to go inside your hosting account, you want to create a database in. So I'm going to click on this first one over here for this tutorial, and then on the left-hand side under Account Options, you want to click on MySQL Databases. When you click here, you'll be able to see everything regarding your MySQL connection details. And then here you have the username, password, etc. And then here it says list of MySQL databases. And if you don't have any, you can just create a new one by clicking create database. And when you do this here, you have to first give it a name. So I'm just going to do, let's just do something random here. I'm going to do tutorial YouTube. There we go. And I'm going to press on create database. And just like this, as you can see, your database will be now created. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.